students, class 12, RS Inter College. Today I am going to teach you the first lesson of supplementary prose. It is the first lesson of supplementary, and you have to write down in separate copy or in half portion of the prose copy as you like. But you have to write down all the course that I am teaching you in the fair copy. If you have not bought the registers and the books, you should at once buy them so that your course may be up to date, may be completed day by day. Then come on the point. It is the first chapter of supplementary prose. The name of the lesson is The Third Level, written by Jack Finney. In this lesson, the writer has tried to escape from the real world. When there are worries, care, despair, war, depression and exhaustion, the people want to take shelter of recreation. They want to entertain themselves and their family members so that the persons or members of the family may be tension free. And that's why for escaping from the real world for short time, some of the people collect the old stamps. Some of the young men and the boys play the indoor games, outdoor games, cricket, football, playing cards. They also read magazines, newspapers, old books, diaries of their fathers, forefathers, ancestors, biographies and autobiographies. In this way, they want to get themselves entertained and get fresh after some time reading of these books, and they forget the worries and the cares of that day. So also the lesson Finney also has tried to make himself fresh from the worries, because in the office work often he was exhausted. Exhausted means tired. So he one day thought to go to soon in imagination, not in the real world, to his house so that he might meet his wife named Lucy. And so that he might talk with his wife and might get entertainment. So he wanted to get short route, so that through short route he might go to his house. So there were only two levels of the station. The station's name was Grand Central Station of London, London Station. That is the greatest station of the world. There were two divisions: first level station, second level station. But he wanted to seek other way through which he might go to his house. So he sought the third level station. It is the station not in real world but in imagination. Today it is only, and I am sending you some question answers through WhatsApp. you should write down in the fair copy and